Hey there, welcome back to Your Successful Life. Today, we're going to talk about how to start an online dropshipping business. Dropshipping is a great way to start an e-commerce business without worrying about inventory or shipping. So, let's get started. Step 1. Choose your niche. The first step to starting a successful dropshipping business is to choose your niche. It's important to select a niche that you're passionate about and has a high demand in the market. Some popular niches are beauty, fashion, home decor, and electronics. You can use tools like Google Trends and Amazon bestsellers to find out what people are searching for. Step 2. Find a supplier. Once you've selected your niche, it's time to find a supplier. There are many dropshipping suppliers out there, but it's important to find a reliable one. Some popular options are AliExpress, Oberlo, and SaleHoo. Make sure to research and read reviews before selecting a supplier. Step 3. Set up your online store. Next, you'll need to set up your online store. You can use platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce to create your store. Make sure to customize your store and add high-quality product images and descriptions. Step 4. Promote your products. After setting up your store, it's time to promote your products. You can use social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest to market your products. You can also use paid advertising options like Google Ads and Facebook Ads. Step 5. Fulfill orders. Once you start receiving orders, it's important to fulfill them in a timely manner. Since you're drop shipping, your supplier will handle the shipping and delivery of the products. However, it's your responsibility to ensure that your customers are satisfied with their orders. Conclusion, and that's it. Those are the 5 steps to starting an online dropshipping business. Remember, choosing a niche, finding a reliable supplier, setting up your store, promoting your products, and fulfilling orders are the key to a successful dropshipping business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Your Successful Life for more helpful tips and tricks.